So my Subaru was my adventure mobile. I haven't been keeping up with the maintenance, and now things are popping up that's making the car a hassle to drive. I just want to get this car running as fast as possible to get back on the mountain, but Big Blue is being super stubborn.
Oh, come on, bro. It's like ripping through the entire fucking thing.
So the new the gaskets, where are the gaskets at? Where are the gaskets? So the new exhaust manifold came in for the Subaru just now. It came in this morning, but been running around. The sun goes down in like an hour and a half. I'm gonna see if I can get the cracked exhaust manifold off, get the new one in, get the car sounding good. All of that before the sun goes down. Being into cars and having to make things work on the street was normal growing up in the city. From oil changes to engine swaps, we made it work. So the procedure was pretty simple. Step 1, get the old exhaust off. Step 2, put the new exhaust on. Step 3, go find another mountain to explore. So before you drop the exhaust manifold, the 2 plugs for the O2 sensors are right up here. Just remember to take that out first before you drop the exhaust. I forgot a step. Step 1.5, get the oxygen sensors off. Fuck. 4:52 right now, sun sets at 5:30. I think we got this.
All right, let's see if we can get this off. Think. Yo, this is my entire fucking body. There we go.
Things got more difficult than expected because of one simple thing: rust.
Oh no. Fuck. Oh, come on, bro. Oh my, it's fucking ripping this shit, bro.
I ended up getting a larger vise, and then I've tightened, I've locked this shit in completely, so I'm hoping this works.
There's no way. It's like ripping through the entire fucking thing, son.
This is one, and this is the other. I really hope I didn't damage the actual O2 sensor. Like, I crushed it a little.
We're gonna put it on the new exhaust and then see if we can get this in the car.
Disclaimer, this video is for entertainment purposes, right? So if your O2 sensor looks like this, please replace them as soon as possible. Don't be like me. Once the O2 sensors are on, I thought I was home free, but then one last gremlin popped up to seal the deal.
Ah, the fuck?